Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Midwest Safety, and the title of the video is Sovereign Citizen Finds Out It's All a Lie. This is actually the first video when they have encountered this guy. Yesterday we did a Sovereign Citizen video, and that was the second encounter, and I went and found the first one because in the second video they mentioned that, hey, this is our second encounter. So I went and found the first video. So and I'll link whatever the other Sovereign video, whatever, somewhere up top. So let's get into the video, man. Let's get into it, man. These Sovereign Citizens, man, very interesting stuff.
On September 15th, 2022, officers from the Broward County Sheriff's Department in Fort Lauderdale spotted a sedan with very dark tinted windows and an illegal license plate. Initially, the vehicle didn't stop before finally pulling over. Unknown to officers, the driver would claim to be a sovereign citizen and proceed to yell and spout a novel's worth of misinformation and legal-sounding snake oil, and that's just the beginning. Let's see how his TikTok legal degree serves him.
Lower all your windows, please. Lower all your windows. Lower all your windows. This is the Broward Sheriff's Office. Lower all your windows all the way down. 583, copy 1050. What is this?
Just put Belleville Park.
We're at Belleville Park. I don't have an exact address on a green Ford four-door. No Florida tag, and driver's uncooperative. We got a couple units out here. Lower all your windows! I can't see, it's too dark. Driver, lower all your windows. Lower all your windows.
That boy playing a dangerous game.
Did you have the window breaker?
Yep. We got a shield?
Do you have a shield?
Yeah, no, I don't have a shield. We need a shield.
That's that act right there.
Driver, this is the Broward Sheriff's Office. Please lower all your windows. Lower all your windows. His window's cracked. It's cracked. But I can't see inside.
He's got a paper on the side of it.
Yep. Driver, lower all your windows. Lower all your windows. Place your hands out the windows. Put your hands out the window! Both hands! Both hands! Keep both hands out the window! No, not without his hands.
Put your hands out the window so we can approach and talk to you. Put both your hands out the window so we can come and talk to you. Keep your hands out. Keep your hands out. Come out.
Keep your hands up!
Okay, go back. Quick.
Hey, if you can get front windshield as soon as fucking.
I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. This Sovereign Citizen stuff, like, dudes is playing a dangerous game, bro. You playing a dangerous game, bro. Like, that type of following directions and not following directions, you had your hands out the windows. So you know that that's what the officers want, so that way they could approach, assess the situation, talk to you. Your tents is dark, they can't see in the vehicle. So they're on edge. They get close to the vehicle, you pull your hands in. Bro, you playing a dangerous game, my boy. That's how you get a one-way ticket to the gravesite. Hey, it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? Black Lives Matter, they can march all they want, man. But that's how you get a one-way ticket to 6 feet under. You hear me? Like, yo. Woo.
The door's locked. Yeah, I'm gonna smash the window. I got it in my pocket. But someone needs to. Someone.
Not a good idea.
Put your hands out the window. This is the Broward Sheriff's Office. Listen, we just want to talk to you.
We can't talk like this. Yeah, do you have guns on you? You do or you don't? Yeah, we don't know that. Exactly. So keep your hands out so we can come talk to you. We're going to be here all day. We're going to smash your windows if you don't comply.
Listen, lower your windows and put your hands out the windows for me. Lower your windows. I understand what you're saying. I need you to comply with my commands. Lower all your windows. All right, now put your hands out the window. Put your hands out the windows. Both hands. And keep them out the window. Both hands. This is the Broward Sheriff's Office. I will show you yours once I make contact with you. Listen, you need to comply with my commands. You're not complying, that's why the gun's out. Yes, you do. Okay, put your hands out the window.
It's for your safety and our safety. Just keep your hands out. You make sure you don't have guns. Yeah, I don't know that. How do I believe you?
Deputies realized that this sovereign citizen has every intent to be as difficult as possible, and they began to form a plan to extricate the suspect.
Someone needs to get lethal coverage. And again, I'll smash the window and we'll try to yank him out. Place your hands out the window.
Listen, I don't want to mess up your car, but if you don't listen, we're going to have to break all your windows. I don't want to do that.
He said he's got his hands on the steering wheel.
Hey, wait. Lucy can get an eye. Lucy! Hey, verify his hands are on the steering wheel. All right, that didn't work. You can't see. Can you just keep them there for us, please?
Keep them right there. Just keep them right there.
We just want to make sure you don't have guns.
Stop. Don't reach anywhere.
I'm not letting you open my conveyance.
Sovereign citizens often use terms like traveling, conveyance, and foreign national to form a pseudo-legal argument that they do not need a license to travel and are somehow not subject to laws requiring a driver's license to operate a vehicle. But he'd soon find out just how far his legal arguments would get him.
I understand that.
I'm not letting you open my conveyance.
Okay.
Who are you?
This is the Broward Sheriff's Office. Listen,
Look at
do
how
you have your
you're
license with
approaching
you?
me.
Do you have your license with you?
I'm a foreign national.
Are you?
He was not.
Okay, are you able to unlock your door for me, please?
I'm not unlocking my door.
Is this your
I fear for
information?
my life. Look at
Sovereign citizens will also oftentimes create their own identification, including licenses, birth certificates, and passports. Some sovereign citizens have even gone so far as to print their own currency. Several details indicate that the suspect is affiliated with the Moorish Sovereign Citizen Movement, which combines aspects of the Moorish Science Temple of America and the broader sovereign citizen movement. Moorish sovereign citizens have been known to engage in a wide range of scams and criminal activity, such as selling forged documents, tax fraud, and house squatting.
and you are being recorded.
Okay.
I fear for my life.
Okay.
I fear for my life right now. The law is on my conveyance.
Okay. You're being stopped because your tag is not a valid Florida license plate
I'm not
or any
operating in
license plate.
commerce. I'm a foreign national. I gave you my identification.
Your name's not in it.
I gave you my identification. You want my information?
Do you have a license?
You want my information?
Do you have a license issued in
the
any
law
of
is
the
right
50
on my
states of the United
conveyance.
States?
Something that has his name on it. Your
I
name on it.
just gave
I
you
didn't
my
see your name in it.
identification that has my name on it. It has my appellation on it.
There's no naming here.
It's the one I just gave you, man.
Listen, you need to unlock this door. We're going to break this window. You need to unlock this door or we're going to break
I'm
this
giving
window.
you my information.
I'm going to tell you one more time.
None of that information is valid.
You're violating international
I'm
law
going to tell
right
you
now.
one more time.
You're violating
I'm
international
telling
law,
you,
man.
this is the last time I'm going to tell you.
You're
Unlock
violating
the door or we're going to break the window. Break the window.
You're violating international law.
Break the window.
Listen, unlock the door. This is your last chance. This is your last chance to unlock the door.
I'm giving you my
I know.
information.
I
man.
understand. Listen, we need a license or some sort of state
I'm
ID.
not operating in commerce for
Okay.
to give you a license. I'm not operating in commerce.
Okay, do you have a
driver's
passport?
license is for commercial activity.
Do you have a passport?
I don't have a passport. I have an international.
See, they really don't want to do it to him, man, but they about to do it to him. They really about to do it to him dirty. dirty. This ain't even gonna be, yeah. Honestly, going through all this mumbo jumbo, isn't it easier just to go to the DMV and get your license? Like, how hard is that? Go get your permit, go get your license, go get some, cause this is a headache. Who the heck wants to get stopped every time for not driving with no license plate, no nothing? Every time the cops is gonna mess with you. Cause this, you living in fairy tale land like this. But yeah, the cops about to do it to him though.
National identification I just gave you.
Issued under who?
The 1508 states that that's a lawful identification document.
All right. One more chance.
I don't want to break your window.
Step out.
Tight.
Get out of the car. Out of the car. Out of the car. Get down.
Ah,
Put your hands behind your back.
did it to him. Dirty, yeah.
Your other hand. Your other hand.
Give us your other hand.
Idiot.
Was that so hard? Why do we have to go through that, bro? You could have easily just
Could have just given us your information and that's it.
none of this would have happened.
Take notice of the fake license plate, the reason the suspect was pulled over to begin with. It would be just the tip of the iceberg compared to what the officers would find next.
Wow.
Fact check. Creating a bunch of fake flags does not give you diplomatic immunity.
Smells like 57 in the car.
A what?
Smells like weed in the car, and he's got a badge hanging there. I don't know what that is.
This guy's stupid as hell.
Y'all coming out? Why?
You said badge?
Yeah, it's bad.
Where? Let me see. That's a deputy badge.
That's what I was saying. Looks like one of those one your badges.
Yeah, he's a U.S. citizen. I found him.
And even if he's not, you still gotta follow the rules.
Yeah.
It's weird how that works.
That might be.
Hey, Monday, just go ahead and kill it just in case the engine starts coming in.
Yeah.
The window document merely consisted of a declaration of sovereignty and a bunch of quotes from court cases taken out of context. In summary, it's comparable to a legal argument written by a third grader, and not a very bright one at that.
Where'd that badge go?
Hey. Hey, Midwest Safety, y'all boys got some good writers, bro. Cause y'all throw the little jokes in there or whatever for the AI to say. Yo, that's funny. I ain't gonna lie. He said like a third grader. That's funny. Yo, y'all funny, man. Midwest Safety. Yeah, y'all got a good script writer over there. I like how y'all doing it, man.
Number attention, 12 Bravo 2. Can you copy on the signal 35 delayed attention to 11?
Come on, Bowie. Great seal.
Signal 38.
But he uses American money. This is, he plays the lottery. Laptops in? The cars? Step out.
The suspect was arrested, and a records check revealed that he had outstanding warrants and a suspended Florida driver's license. Once in custody, he threatened to put a lien on the deputies' properties and freeze all of their assets. He faces 10 counts with half of them for threatening a public servant, and his bond was set at $1,150.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.